Hainan Sinyoung Rubber Machinery Limited Company. Sinyoung is a natural rubber processing equipment manufacturing company founded in 1994. Its professional team, comprehensive facilities, and reliable quality control system help it make its way to the top in rubber processing industry of China. At the meantime, it also serves customers with advice on rubber processing, machinery installation, and trainings, guidance for their technicians. Sinyoung has provided more than 100 sets of natural rubber processing lines in 25 years. Not only rounded systems for traditional product, but also advanced automation solutions for natural rubber processing, tailored for customer-specific requirement. Through our enhancing facilities, non-stop perfecting quality control system, and 25 years technology experience in industry, we can guarantee our customers for high-quality product and world-class service. Up to now, Sinyoung has obtained 7 invention patents, 2 technical rewards given by the Chinese government, ISO 9001 certification, and High-Tech Enterprises verification. Each of our products and every piece of their parts are strictly made under the high-level standardization and quality inspection. Besides, our CNC machines ensure the process of manufacture is precise and efficient. Sinyoung product TSR3L 1020 processing line, compound rubber line, automatic drying and packing line, also, Sinyoung has established its local service centers in order to respond to customers' requirement all around the world as immediately as possible.
这么多年来，我们信荣公司一直坚持的一种经营理念，那就是让我们的用户跟我们信荣公司一起实现共赢。我们的用户使用我们信荣公司的产品，应该能够获得更多的利益。基于这一理念，我们信荣公司不谋求成为这个行业里边最大规模的公司，但是我们一定要让我们的产品成为这个行业里边最优质的产品。